Hello beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. Today I want to show you the sweetest, when I say sweetest, I mean the sweetest recipe of spaghetti. Stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video. If you have any question, as normal guys, you can do what to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than excited to attend to your question. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Let's stay connected on this platform. Let's go guys. I appreciate you for watching my video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share the recipe so that your family, your friends will get to know. And if you have any recipe you want me to teach you, you can as well tell me in the comment section. Today's video goes to Christiana G1. I'm giving her a shout out. Shout out to Christiana. Christiana inspired this video. I hope this helps you. I am going to see you in my next video. Bye guys.